6 reasons for saying goodbye to life in the city and hello to a self-sufficient life in the country. The thing is, as you know, we can chat all about being self-sufficient and self-reliant. What are the benefits of homesteading and living in the country? What do you think? Share your ideas in the comments. So, are you a little nervous about moving to the country and being far away from all the city's modern day conveniences? Living in the city, sure, things are pretty close to you. And living in the country, things might be, they probably are, far away. So living in the city with things close versus living in the country and driving all the way to town when you need or want something. Is it worth it? Let's chat about a few reasons to think about if moving from the city to the country is for you. Number 6, sustainable on your own living. A lot of people move to a homestead to live off the grid. In the city, you can't get away from being dependent on the system, the infrastructure. On the homestead in the country, you get to be self-sufficient. You get to use basic carpentry, plumbing, basic electrical, and your mechanical skills. Being able to provide for your own needs. Are you ready to live sustainable? Number 5, living closer to nature, to the natural things that are all around us. When you live in the country, you're closer to nature. Maybe you walk through the woods, the old saying, stop and smell the flowers. You won't be doing that in a big city. What flowers? What woods? Nature is a great teacher. Hey, sometimes she gives you the exam first and the lesson after. But we wouldn't want it any other way. Would you? Number 4, peace and quiet on the homestead. Living in the country on a homestead is peace and quiet that's not available in the city. The crowds, the noise, and the traffic in the city are crazy, if you ask me. And I was born in a great big city and spent time there. So I do know city life. The downside, more and more, we don't even like going to town grocery shopping anymore. We would rather stay home where it's peace and quiet. Number 3, life in the country is safer. You don't have to lock the doors on your house when you're inside at home. Crazy talk, I know. The kids, they can ride their bikes and run around and play outside on their own. Imagine that, letting your kids go outside unsupervised. Oh, the shame. Would you feel safe doing this in a big city? Number 2, have an awesome garden and grow your own healthy food. If you want to eat healthy food and really know that you're eating healthy food, living in the country on a homestead is the way to go. Store-bought veggies are no match for fresh from the garden veggies. When you grow them yourself, you know that they're healthy. And number 1, the freedom to do your own thing when and where you want to do it. In the country, you have the freedom of very few regulations and ordinances. Pets, chickens, goats, any other critters, no problem. You want to mow your grass at 7 a.m.? Hey, go for it. You like to sit on the back porch in the morning and drink your coffee, sans robe. Be my guest. No neighbors to be any complaining. Do what you want to do when and where you want to do it. So there you go. 6 reasons, 6 awesome reasons why you should pack up and say goodbye to life in the city and move out to the country.